What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? What's going on? All right. We got bullish, guys, the bullish news for Jasmy and Junction and XCN and everything right now. It's at the point where it's starting to get hard to keep up again, guys. I told you guys when Jasmy was quiet and everything, everyone was all upset and stuff. I said, look, guys, last year at this time, all of a sudden, everything was quiet and boom, all of a sudden, the news just kept coming out fast and furious. I couldn't even keep up. And here we are again. It's already starting to pop off, guys. So let's get into it. Jasmy up 4.9% on the day, 6.1 on the week, down 28.5% on the month, but up 265 on the year. We're down one spot in rank to 76, a $1.12 billion market cap, 66 million in volume. Here's the thing, guys. Once again, volume across the board is really low right now. Onyx coin, XCN down 3.9% on the day, 19 on the week, up 628 on the month, and 1,185 on the year. 1,187, sorry. Down four spots in rank to 102, $724 million market cap, and 107 million in volume. Swift coin up 0.1% on the day, 29.5% down on the week, up 224 on the month, and up 637 on the year. Even in rank at 243, $202 million market cap with 19 million in volume. Guys, volume is atrocious across the board. Not liking it, not digging it, but it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't, right? What are you going to do? What are you going to do, right? Let's go look at Jasmy's charts here on the weekly time frame. Or no, we're on the daily right now. We're going to switch over to the weekly, though, because the weekly shows, I mean, look at the daily, very bullish, continuing. We closed right around 2 cents, 319, about a little over an hour ago from the time I'm recording this, but it's just matching Bitcoin here with this sideways action for Jasmy, guys. Unbelievably sideways, just like Bitcoin. Going over to the weekly, though, if we zoom out, again, I showed you guys this. Look at what's going on. Higher lows, higher highs, guys, across the board. So, this is about a year, right? This is like, January of last year. So, this is a year's worth of action here, guys, on the weekly time frame. Higher lows, higher highs, bullish structure. Next break for me is around 6 cents for Jasmy. Let's go have a look over at XCN. Still inside our bull flag here, guys. Breakout to the upside is imminent, in my opinion. We just need volume. Only thing we're missing is volume. And I remember having this talk with you guys before a few months ago, and the volume was low, and all the projects looked like they were ready to pop. And I said, just wait for volume, guys. And then volume came in, and boom, everything popped, right? Same thing's going to happen here soon. Everything's in a bullish structure. Jasmy, XCN, going over to Swift coin. Let's have a look at that. Let me pull it up here. So looking over at Swift coin, I was monkeying around earlier. Let's get rid of that. So we have this same bullish structure going on here, guys. Look at this, right? Now you could pull two different things out of this. There's a head and shoulders, but it's only relevant on like the 4 hour. It's not really relevant on the daily time frame. Looking at the 8 hour, see, it's a little bit here, but it's not playing out on the daily time frame, though, right? So that's very good. But I think I moved to and we're starting to do the same thing as Jasmy and Bitcoin. Look at this sideways action for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row now, guys. So we'll continue to watch. We'll wait for that break to the upside. We're holding support in this range here. Let's move this up if we can. Right, we're holding support right in this range, right? Which is great. As long as we continue to hold support, maybe we get to see Bitcoin make a move to the upside here in the near term, hopefully soon. And then the rest of these altcoins can break out for the next leg up. But again, we can't do nothing if we don't have volume, right? We don't have volume. Now, Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, look at this, guys, right? I'm going to show you guys something here, okay? What do you see? let me delete these because these are what I was talking about from 2021, 2022, bull run versus bear run, right? Bear market. Okay. So what do we have, right? Let's go. Let's move this up. What do we have going on here on for Bitcoin? So we have, let me get my tools. Let me get my tools, man. Let me get my tools, right? We have this here, right? So we have consolidation, break to the upside, little consolidation, break to the upside, larger consolidation like here, break to the upside, little consolidation just like here. Are we getting ready to see the next move to the upside here, right? Are we going to see the same thing where we go up again? I think yes, right? But that doesn't mean we can't first wick down to these lower levels. If we go to the daily time frame, it's a little more prevalent on the daily time frame. Look at this, right? You have your long consolidation after a break to the upside, then a break to the upside, small consolidation, break to the upside, long consolidation, break to the upside, small consolidation. Are we going to see another break to the upside followed by a long consolidation? Very, very possible, guys. Very, very possible, right? So like I said before, we could see a move here to the downside first. I keep telling you guys it's entirely possible, right? And the only way to invalidate a move down between 85K and 91K would be a break to the upside and closing daily candles above $100,000. That's what you need to see to invalidate that potential break to the downside, right? So that's what we watch for. Bitcoin closed what, right around where we are now, 97.5. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, enough messing around, guys. Let's check out what we got here. All right, so Junction closes seed round of funding. Yeah, you probably didn't even know this. A testnet of proprietary blockchain specializing in AI and also being released. The convergence of AI and Web3, new low-cost, high-performance platform, Junction's Layer 2, baby. We told you this was coming. We told you to be patient. You pissed and you moaned and you squealed like a stuck pig, and here we are. Jasmy Labs is pleased to announce the release of Junction's Layer 2 testnet as a new infrastructure for the Web3 era. It is a Layer 2 solution designed to drive the adoption of decentralized technology and allow more users to benefit from the blockchain. Junction solves the scalability problems of Ethereum while providing a developer-friendly and efficient environment. Number one, complete the seed round of funding. Junction has completed its seed round of funding. The round is supported by the following global Web3 projects. We also operate our business with the support of many ecosystem partners and the media. As you can see, look at this, DWF Labs, very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. Look at IOTEX, we know about that partnership. They are indeed a supporter of this launch. Canna Labs, guys, a lot of these partners we talk about, right? Jasmy, backed by Jasmy. Very, very bullish, guys. This is what I told you, this stuff was coming. I told you this stuff was coming, right? It almost physically hurts to be right. So here we have the list of partners you can go through. Plus individual investors as well. Use of funds. With this funding, we will further develop Junction's Layer 2 and Junction's GPU pool and strengthen our marketing activity. So they're going into marketing, and we've talked about that, guys. Now that they have Junction getting ready to launch, right? The testnet's out there. What's going to come next? The PDL, right? Junction Stories platform for marketing. Guys, so much stuff is about to come out. You have no idea, right? Product development, network optimism, and optimization optimism, and enhancement of the Junction's Layer 2, development and expansion of the GPU pool, and development of the dApps environment. Are we going to see the partnership with Sony launch finally with the PlayStation GPU processing power included in Junction's GPU pool? marketing ecosystem expansion, participation in global Web3 conferences and AI-related events. So look for HARA to be all over the map again this year. Hackathons, creation of use cases through collaboration with partner companies. So more partnerships to come. Features of Junction's Layer 2. In recent years, with the sophistication of AI development and the surge of data demand, access to the large-scale computational resources has become more important than ever. However, the provision of GPU resources by traditional centralized cloud providers is often costly and limited, and has limited access, creating a significant barrier for researchers and SMEs. At the same time, the proliferation of Web3 and increased demand for data management and smart contracts that leverage decentralized technologies, in particular areas such as gaming, the creator economy, and AI training, require transparent transactions and efficient resource allocation. Junction's Layer 2 was developed to solve these market challenges by combining scalable Layer 2's technology with distributed GPU cloud. It provides a low-cost, high-speed processing environment and creates an infrastructure that is freely available to AI developers, game developers, and creators. You have your scalable networks, your openness as a public blockchain. Now, we're going to go deeper into some of these things on separate videos, guys. I don't want to make this an hour and a half long video. Extensive support developers, openness as a public blockchain, dedicated web applications, Junction's GPU pool. So Junction provides a distributed GPU cloud, Junction's GPU pool, a streamlined computational resource. This allows users of all sizes, from individual developers, enterprises to take advantage of the high-performance GPU resources. So look for a lot more partnerships with AI companies and AI developers to move to the Junction ecosystem, guys, because they have access to cheap, potentially free GPU processing power, which is what is required to develop AI technology, right? Very, very bullish. So yes, absolutely. We'll go into 3 here. Junction's Layer 2 has released a testnet today for developers and enterprises to try out the features of the Layer 2. The testnet allows you to test scalable blockchain environments and pilot the Junction's GPU pool. As you can see, we did a separate video showing this last night. The key features of the testnet, leveraging optimistic roll-up technology for fast, low-cost transactions, a developer environment that can check the operations of smart contracts and trial operations to distribute GPU cloud, Junction's GPU pool. Expansion of the ecosystem by partnering with Jasmy. What do we got? We're at 13 minutes. We'll go a little bit further into this. Yes, okay. So Junction will promote collaboration with Jasmy, Japan's largest cryptocurrency, to accelerate the social implementation of blockchain technology. Jasmy is a platform that aims to democratize data and aims to build a secure environment for the use of personal information by utilizing the consortium blockchain. By working with Junction, an open source blockchain, it will be possible to expand the user's base as well as develop a wider range of use cases. This is expected to lead to the self-sovereignty of personal data and creation of new ways to use digital ID entities. In addition, another important feature of Junction is the expansion of the Jasmy ecosystem by taking full advantage of the EVM capable benefits, and expanding the environments in which Jasmy can be used. We will provide more opportunities for Jasmy, more than 1 million investors around the world. So we're gonna stop there, guys. We're getting a little bit long in the tooth here in the video. People don't like longer than about 10 to 15 minute videos. So I'm going to stop there. I'm going to continue on part 2 of this, guys. We're going to continue to break down the launch of Junction. This is massive news, guys. I've already spilled a whole bunch of juicy info. but the more and more is to come, guys. So the juicy stuff is still to come. So stay tuned for that. And as always, guys, just last night, you need to be a member of our Patreon community, well over 1,700 people strong. We did a swing trade last night on the live stream over on the Patreon, 200%, over 204.6% return in less than an hour, guys, right? That is the kind of stuff that we love doing over there. Get over there, join the community. We're dropping gems left and right, guys. While everyone else is sitting sideways with the market doing nothing, we are making money. We're doing that so that we can refresh our dry powder, so we can dollar cost average and continue to stack sats, guys. So check it out. Join over to the Patreon community. Like I said, 1,700 people strong and growing, strong community leaders over there. The chat is constantly buzzing 24/7. We do live streams over there every single night. And on top of all of that, you also get to book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So check it out, guys. Get over there. The link is down below. Don't miss out on these gems. They're going to pop off similar to how Onyx Coin has been doing, guys. So why would you miss out on that? Don't start buying into these projects after they've pumped 2,000-3,000% when the big content creators are talking about them. Get into them early beforehand, guys. That's where the returns are. We have made 28 portfolios hit 7 figures over on the Patreon so far, and many more have hit high 6 figures, guys. So do not miss out on this opportunity. We will see you over there. We got a fantastic live stream happening over there tonight. You know, if you were there last night, you could have got the 204% swing trade, but there is more of that to come. So check it out. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.